You're 55 years old, you've worked hard for decades, raised a family, and maybe even pay off the house, or you're close. But there's one thing missing. There's no pension waiting for you. And now you're asking yourself the question no one wants to say out loud. Do I really have enough to retire, or will I be stuck working forever? The truth is you're not alone. Most Americans today don't have pensions like their parents did. And if you're coming into retirement without one, especially if you feel a little behind, it can feel like the odds are stacked against you. But here's the good news. You don't need a pension to retire well. With the right strategy, you can still create a reliable income stream, protect your savings, and retire with confidence, even if you're starting at 55. Hi, I'm Nathan Seeley, founder of Brass Ring Wealth, and if you find this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and if you'd like this tailored to your situation, book a time using the link in the description. Now, let's break this down step by step. First part is understanding what you're really up against, the big picture. Even if you don't have a pension, there's no guaranteed monthly check coming in when you stop working, and that changes the retirement game completely. For decades, pension acted like a built-in safety net. You retire, and a portion of your income would just keep showing up for the rest of your life. No market worries, no withdrawal strategies, no tough decisions about how much you could spend. But today, the responsibility falls squarely on your shoulders. You are the pension now. This means three big challenges are working against you. You have to create your own paycheck. Every dollar you live on will need to come from Social Security, your investments, or other income streams you've built. If you don't have a clear system for turning your savings into income, it's easy to overspend and run short, or underspend and sacrifice your lifestyle. You have to manage investment risk. Imagine retiring in 2008 when the market dropped 40%. If you're pulling money out during a downturn, you're not just taking withdrawals, you're locking in losses. This is called sequence of return risk, and it's one of the biggest threats to retirees without a pension. You have to plan for longevity as well. At 55, there's a good chance you or your spouse could live another 30 to 40 years. That's great news for your health, but it also means your money needs to stretch a lot longer, more than many people realize. And let's not forget about taxes and inflation. The more you withdraw from tax-deferred accounts like 401ks and IRAs, the more money you may owe like the sand, especially if tax rates rise in the future. So here's the hard truth. It's not just about how much you've saved, it's about how you turn it into a reliable, tax-efficient income stream that lasts. The good news, with the right strategy, you can solve these challenges and build your own version of a pension, even if you're starting later than you'd like. So, how do you build a retirement paycheck or strategy? So if you don't have a pension, how do you create the steady, reliable income you'll need in retirement? You'll need to build what I call your own retirement paycheck. Here's what that means. Instead of relying on one guaranteed source of income, you set up a system to pull income from multiple places at the right time in the right order, so your savings feel like a paycheck that shows up every month. This isn't about guessing how much you can take out each year. It's about having a structure that balances income, growth, and protection. Some use the three bucket system. It's a simple approach on how to take withdrawals. For instance, the cash bucket is where you keep 1 to 2 years of essential expenses in safe, liquid account like a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Why? Because if the market dips, you can draw from this bucket without selling investments at a loss. It's your buffer against market volatility. The income bucket, second one, this bucket is designed to give you predictable cash flow. Think dividends, interest from bonds, and even annuities if they make sense for your situation. For many retirees, this becomes their monthly paycheck that covers their fixed expenses, housing, utilities, groceries, without worrying about market swings. The growth bucket, the third one. Here's where the rest of your investments continue working for the future. Stocks and other growth assets help you outpace inflation and replenish the other buckets over time. This bucket isn't for spending right away. It's for years 10, 15, and 20 of retirement and beyond. Let's look at a real-life example. Let's say you're 55 with about $600,000 saved in your 401k, and you want to retire by 67. Right now, you're not sure how much you can safely take out each year or even if it's enough. With a retirement paycheck strategy, you could keep $50,000 to $75,000 in the cash bucket for emergencies and near-term spending. Set aside a portion of your portfolio to generate $3,000 to $4,000 per month in predictable income. Let the rest continue to grow so you don't run out of money when you're 80 or 90. This system doesn't just give you clarity, it gives you confidence. You know where your income is coming from, even in a down market. And the best part, it's not guesswork, it's a plan. The next step is to minimize taxes on your retirement income. Here's where most people make a critical mistake and they forget to figure in taxes. Your 401k withdrawals, Social Security benefits, and even capital gains, they're all potentially taxable. A few tax-saving strategies that can help: Roth conversions in your 50s or early 60s to move money into tax-free accounts, asset location, which is placing tax-efficient investments in taxable accounts and tax-inefficient ones in IRAs, using withdrawal sequencing, or taking money from different accounts in the right order to stay in a lower tax bracket. Used properly, these strategies could help you keep tens of thousands or more in your pocket over retirement. Next, we need to protect against the risks that can derail your plan. Even with a solid withdrawal strategy, there are risks that can knock you off track. Market risk. A 20% drop early in retirement could have a lasting impact. Longevity risk. Outliving your money is a real concern, especially if you're healthy and could live 30 or more years in retirement. Healthcare costs. Medicare doesn't cover everything, especially long-term care. This is why many retirees use tools like guaranteed income annuities to cover essential expenses and long-term care planning to protect their nest egg. Remember, it's not just about how much you've saved, it's about how you structure and protect it. Lastly, it's not too late to create your plan. Here's the good news. Even if you're behind, 55 is not too late. With 10 plus years before full retirement age, you still have time to max out retirement contributions, pay off high interest debt, restructure your portfolio for income and growth, and put a smart strategy in place. But the key is getting intentional now. Waiting another 5 to 10 years can make the difference between retiring comfortably or having to keep working longer than you like. Here's what I want you to take away from this. You don't need a pension to retire with confidence. What you do need is a strategy to replace your paycheck, minimize taxes, and protect your savings so it lasts as long as you do. Even if you feel like starting late at 55, there's still time to catch up and build a plan that gives you peace of mind. But this isn't something you leave to chance. The earlier you take action, the more options you'll have. If you're ready to see how these strategies could work for your situation, I invite you to book a call with my team. We'll take a close look at your income, savings, and goals, and help you design a retirement plan that keeps more money in your pocket and gives you the confidence to stop working on your terms. Click the link in the description to schedule a call or strategy session today. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who's thinking about retirement without a pension, because the right plan can make all the difference. Thanks for joining.